Try not to break it in half. Oh, Lewis.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, that's a lot of damage!
You too. Morning. Thank you. Thanks. You too. All right. Good morning, guys. It is 7 a.m. right now. It's minus 15 degrees Celsius. It's fucking cold out. I don't think you guys even have a number for this in Fahrenheit. I'm heading over to my parents right now to pick up a trailer, and then we're heading over to Ottawa, which is a bit of a hike from us, to pick up a 1981 Datsun 720 pickup truck. It's a 4x4. Haven't seen it in person. Got a pretty killer deal on it. It used to be a plow truck. We're hoping to sell the plow and then recoup most of the cost of what we're paying for the truck. Haven't seen it in person. I'm kind of expecting this thing to be a bit of a basket case, but hopefully it'll be a fun, I don't know, off-road. Maybe we can do some trail driving with it, or just general screwing around with it. Hopefully it'll be a bit of a fun project. Yeah, we'll check in with you guys when we get there. Here it is, guys. 1982 Datsun 720 King Cab 4x4 pickup truck. This thing is beautiful. Look at this. It's got everything you need in the truck. It's got holes in the body, it's got holes in the frame, it's got holes in the floor, it's got holes in the hood. It's running on 3 cylinders, leaks oil. It's got painted tires, painted lug nuts. It's got a gigantic fucking mirror on the side for some reason. Look at this thing. It's mint. The guy that sold this to us was a super weird character too. Apparently he was selling this because he needed a little bit of extra money to pay off some parking tickets, or traffic tickets he got in a road rage incident. He rammed a car at a stop sign, pushed him off the road, and then fled the scene. So he's... fenders don't look too bad over on this side. Nice painted tires. But yeah, he's hoping to make a little bit of money off this truck to pay off his ticket. So that's where he came in. Got some holes in the floor in here. It's kind of rusted in weird spots though. Like there's holes there, but like the rockers are solid. The bottom of the doors are solid. It's got holes in the frame, but like the floor of the bed doesn't have any holes in it. This doesn't make sense why they rusted in that order. Got some cute little fold down seats back here. These things, tons of leg room back there. Factory sunroof. Oh shit. Beautiful interior though. Seats are in immaculate condition. Got no keys for this thing. Some nice toggle switches to start her up. No seat belts. Stuck in 4x4. Good airflow for your feet. Really, what else do you need in a truck?
Yeah, move them. He's fucking painted right over them.
He masked off the valve stem, but he painted the locking hubs and the lug nuts and the tires.
Yeah.
You can tell that those tires look kind of weird.
Sure they're painted, or it's not just armor?
Actually, I think they're painted. Like they look that's paint streaks.
Okay.
They look too plasticky to be not painted, I think.
I can't imagine that he's
you think
very good at restorations.
Do you think it used to be gray, or is that like a primer?
Primer. That's original paint.
I thought he said it was resprayed.
He said it might have had body work done once.
Oh.
I just can't believe
Is that what this is?
Yeah, that corner's hard. So good. Powdering with the frame a little bit.
Look at that. The exhaust is just
Nice.
not even bolted together.
Nice. Okay, let's get going.
Okay. This thing sags a lot when I sit in it. Okay, that's neutral. So I think he said that's fuel pump. All right.
Throttle it up.
I'm scared that it's gonna roll forward.
I'll hold it. There's no choke on it, eh? Okay, no gas yet.
Okay.
Let's just let it warm for a second. So Lewis, just turn that way a little bit and then back in. Try not to break it in half. Oh, Lewis, the whole thing went like that. Oh my God. Like it's ready to break in half. Wowee. That sucks. Yeah, but just be very careful.
I guess we won't really know if it's worth it until we like sand the frame and see. Pardon?
We gotta do this thing.
I know, it's cool, eh?
What do you think?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why it's sitting higher in the back.
Because the frame's bent?
Well, right now the plow's up, so it's got
True.
a couple hundred pounds sitting in the front, right?
It's got half the weight of the truck out front.
Yeah, I don't want to go to the track or anything yet.
No. Not till we jump it at least once.
He put the paint on this bumper too when he did his rim.
Yeah, use the same rattle can. It looks like he just brushed it with anti-seize.
He might have put the those little strips of metal on underneath those things too. Like he's just a rinky-dink kind of
Yeah.
fucking around guy.
Yeah.
I recognize these things. They're in some
Those
other
are
spots too, self-tappers.
Those are his same self-tappers.
That's how he's holding the frame together.
Yeah.
Lewis, I wouldn't take anything apart yet in case
it's structural.
something just buckled. Yeah.
You think there's anything in the glove box? Maybe his ticket from when he got road rage?
Power. What the hell is that?
Some new plugs.
You got the new plugs in.
Yeah.
The original owner's manual? You gotta be kidding me.
1982.
Is it?
Yep.
Pull it out of there before the mice get it. Is that my house? The mice will get it. That's what they love, is paper.
Yeah.
Is it wet?
I think it's just got like oil on it over the years.
Oh.
Are you sure you want this inside? It's pretty greasy.
The mice probably won't chew it.
I don't think they'll eat it.
Leave it on the chair.
The mice will die if they eat that.
Yeah.
God, yeah, that clutch for whatever reason is just super touchy the second time.
Yeah.
It just bit all of a sudden.
How funny would that have been while I was filming here? Like,
Is that-
and the back went.
It's stuck in four-wheel drive, so it could have driven the front away.
But I think he took these off those to sell them.
I bet he did, yeah.
That's so clean. He just took them. He probably realized they were worth some money.
Yeah.
He probably Googled them and they're like, oh yeah, you can get like $200 each of those.
Took every valuable part off.
That's the big 6?
The big 4?
Is it a 4?
Yep. I think this is in... No, this isn't...
What's
I
this
was going to say L20, but I don't think that's right.
Can you focus down here for a second? I want to just show that the coolant, if you ever need to add something, it's a quick, you don't have to pop the lid, you can just put it in right here.
You can actually probably fill it with the hood closed.
Yes, you can. Right through there.
Look at that.
That's why it's
Look at that giant spacer for the brake booster. That's weird, right?
Yeah.
Why would they do that?
I don't know. Like, how did the inner fenders and everything look?
I think everything in the front seems to be nice.
Yeah.
Look at it's actually got the Japanese rad cap.
Yeah. And the Japanese blue, that Nissan blue, eh?
Yeah, same as the 280, same color.
Flip yours off there, let's see if it has an air filter.
That's weird. That's got clips and a swing nut.
Yeah.
All right, do the big reveal. Beautiful.
Oh, no wonder he wanted $1,000. That's the original air filter.
Nissan branded it.
You can see where his anger got to him, and he shredded that all to pieces.
Alright, so we got the Datsun home. Frame's in a lot worse shape than we thought it was. The passenger side's in pretty good shape, but there's a lot of fiberglass covering the frame on the driver's side. So we kind of got to decide what we want to do with that. We're going to have to take a wire wheel to the frame, clean it off, see what kind of shape it's in, and then decide, like, are we going to try to patch the frame, or are we going to try to find like a donor, like S10 or something, and put the body of this thing onto it. It needs floors, but the body's actually in pretty good shape. It might not look like it, but it's structurally pretty sound. Or are we just gonna fucking jump the truck and break it in half? I don't know. You guys let us know what you want to see done with the truck. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions. If you want to see more of it on the channel, let us know. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll give you a little cold start of the 8.6 here too.